All right, so this lesson is 4.1.4. And the name of the lesson is TI-83. TI-83. Or a graphing calculator. Today is Wednesday, September 12th. This is period 7. Okay. We have our next equation. What's the value of A for our equation? This equation here.
2x squared.
Just 2. It's just the number in front of the x squared term. Okay. What's the value of B?
12.
Negative 12. Careful of your signs. What's the value of C?
19.
19. 0, 19 is the y-intercept. This problem, I can't fit 19 on my graph, so you don't get a freebie for this one, okay? But, sometimes you get a freebie. All right, so now we are going to calculate the x-coordinate of the vertex. So I have x equals negative b over 2a. We're going to plug in our values of a and b. Negative 12 over 2 times 2. The negative 12 becomes positive 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 3. Good. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is 3. We're going to put that in the table. And we're going to draw our axis of symmetry. So I have x equals 3. And we're going to make a dotted vertical line that goes through x equals 3. That's the axis of symmetry. Okay. Now I'm going to switch over to the calculator. All right, so hit your y equals button. Does everybody know where the y equals button is? My finger's on it right now. Okay. The previous class probably already put that equation in, all right? But I need for you to know how to do this. So let's do it together. I'm clearing that out. And I'm typing my equation in. I've got y equals 2, and then x. Do you know where your x is? My finger's on x, right below mode, okay? 2x squared, here's the squared button on the left. Oops, you can't see my finger right now. Here's the squared button on the left. All right, so I have 2x squared, all right, minus 12x plus 19. Okay. Depending upon what the last person who used this calculator was doing, the windows could very easily be mixed up. I need you to know how to reset your windows. So here's how you do that. If you go to the Zoom screen, Zoom is the tippy top button in the middle. Zoom, and then a standard viewing window is choice 6. So let's do Zoom standard. And there's what the graph looks like. Okay. We're good? Next, we're going to go to the table. The table is above the graph button in yellow. It's a second function. So you're going to hit second graph to see your table. Okay. You can use your up and down arrows to scroll so you can see any X you want. All right? right, so we need the first point on our table to be the vertex. What did we say the x-coordinate of the vertex is? 3. So let's look on the table on the calculator, find x equals 3. What's y? 1. So that's going to go into our table. So 3, 1. Let's plot that point. Up 3, 1. Will this parabola be concave up or concave down? Up. Concave up. A is 2. That's a positive number. So it's concave up. If it is concave up, the vertex is at the bottom. Okay? There are no points on this graph lower than the vertex. Every point has to be higher than that point. So you're like doing common sense checking as you're plotting this. If you plot anything below that vertex, something's wrong. You got to find your mistake. All right, I'm going to go back to the calculator. All right, I need a point close to the vertex. 4, nice. 4, what's the y value? 3. So we're going to plot that point, 4, 3. What's the reflection of 4, 3 across the axis of symmetry? 2, 3, nice. Let's put 2, 3 in the table. So these 2 points are higher than the vertex. This is looking like it's concave up. If you see that it's concave the wrong direction at this point, you stop and go, what am I doing wrong? Okay? All right, so your teacher requires 5 points. Let's go back to the calculator. Where's my calculator? Okay. Can we come up with another point next to those 2? 5, 9. 5, 9. Great. Let's put that one in. What's the reflection of 5, 9 across the axis of symmetry?
2, 9? Oh, no,
1, 9. I'm going to go back to the calculator. So in the calculator, I should see a 1, 9 in this table. If you do not have a 1, 9 in your table, something's wrong. So you're using what you know about symmetry, you're using the graphing calculator, you're checking your work, you're looking for common sense. You will be allowed to use calculators when you graph these. So you don't have to do things out longhand like we did in the first problem. But you do have to understand the properties of parabolas. All right, I think that's it for today.